Welcome to the Ectovan. So I've got lots wired in, so we've got to work out where at first we're going to put this camera. So first things first, I could put it down there, very small, out of the way. I've got a USB port on my dashboard. It doesn't seem to work for anything. Let's see if this camera will run off it. If so, I know where to put this camera. Right, so if I turn the van on.
Start recording. Video locked.
This is good. So if you are an owner of a Renault Traffic Business Plus and you are also not finding any use for that USB port down there, this works. So if I turn it off, it goes off. I thought it said that it's got a setting for parked, when you're parked. Park mode. Hardwired kit required. There's a piece missing. Right, and the time lapse. So two things are advertised on the box. So time lapses and parking mode you can't use with what's in the box. You've got to buy the hardwire kit that's required. Later date then, I guess. Knowing this can go anywhere, I'm going to have it right down here. With vans, having it up here means I've got cables everywhere. There's a little sticker that is for the glass. So I'm going to put this right down low because I'm going to stash the cable straight into that piece I got there. And it means as well this is cool. So this, I can go and find a small cable. I've got little tiny cables that have been useless. I'm going to put some back. So now if I turn on the van, I've knocked it into gear, that'd been fun. Should hear it.
Start recording.
There we go. Excellent. Right, let's have a look. Let's get out and see what it's doing. It's quite discreet, isn't it, really? Because there it is. You can see a bubble in it already. I've got to wiggle that around. So a bubble on top. Go on that. But I mean, if I'm driving along, no one's going to really see that, are they? Right, so here we go. We've got some daytime footage here. As you can see, it's really quite good compared to other cameras I've used. You can see signs very well, and you can see all sorts. Let's see what happens when we get close up to something. I mean, if we pause it here, yeah, you can see that number plate really well. That's very good. So yeah, daytime seems really good. The angle's really good. It's really quite wide. You're picking up stuff above me which I couldn't even see. So you can see that number plate, and he's 30 really well there. Well, we've come up to a bit of a halt, and yeah, it's good that. So here's the footage at dusk. So you can see the number plate quite well, which is good. As I was saying, the view angle's really quite good. So you can see if the cow was coming down that hill, you'd really be able to see me, or I'd really be able to see it if we had an accident. Interesting thing about this, every time I go over a bump, it says video lock, and it saves a file, a video recorded a bit before and a bit after. So if you're incapacitated, or you can't reach the dash cam because it's flew off somewhere, you can always go to the footage. And here's night time. So it's really good because it kind of looks like a bit of day. The night vision on this is really good. And you can see down the bottom left, we've got the date this footage was and the time. So it's at 7:18, as it's becoming dark. but it was nighttime as far as I could tell. So funny enough, it looked like nighttime to me, but the night vision camera seems to have really well sort of pulled out the daylight that's up there, a little bit of light we've got. So really, I'm very impressed with this camera. It's a good 5 out of 5.